That boy stuff say nacho on it. Oh, we can't get it. That boy stuff say nacho on it. Oh, hold on, here you go. Oh, you can't see it? Oh, my bad, bro. That stuff say nacho on it. Oh. Man. I ain't know. Alright, 3 vlogs in one day. How y'all know? Who y'all know who do this stuff like that? Nobody but Duwop, you feel me? But yeah. How y'all had that KFC Nuggets yet? Oh, your boy just got him. Your boy just got him. I remember being $4 though. Someone, damn, it was $6 total. Oh hell. Oh hell no.
I told you $5.49.
Oh, bro. It was $6 and alright. I ain't fucking with this place no more. Alright, we gonna see how good that is. I got an 8-piece for man, I shouldn't even got that. I'm telling you, man. Alright, put that stuff down. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a review. I'm gonna show y'all how it tastes. Kinda disappointed. But it'll be alright. Like it wasn't even it wasn't even a motherfucker. Let me redo this. I think they forgot about us. Y'all. They done went outside, gave it to the black card and came out. I ain't see that black card there until we just pulled up, you feel me?
I don't know, I think the lady got it right here. She just dropped her ranch too.
Oh, she just dropped my ranch where? Where? There you go. There you go, y'all. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that.
She gave them motherfuckers away.
Yeah, she gave them away. She know what she did.
But
she gave them.
this shit. Yeah, look at that lady outside the window ordering.
Hey.
What?
That's the nugget, y'all. I should have got a couple. Ooh. Ooh,
fucking tube in her nose. She don't need to be driving. What?
Oh, that shit look fire.
No, it don't. Anything.
Oh, that shit. Oh, man, can't wait to give y'all the review, y'all. I know I just messed that review up. Don't worry. I went to speech therapy, man. I went to the speech. I messed up my R's. They said I graduated, but I got suspended before I can even get my graduation certificate, and that was the end of the year, you know. So it was on to the next year. You know what type of time it is. They be doing some bogus shit to little Duwop. Duwop don't be doing nothing in school. Duwop just be
ain't just like your daddy.
Duwop just be doing his own thing, you know. Duwop be doing his own thing, you know. Never ever got no fight or nothing, you feel me? But they always hate on little Duwop.
Daddy, shut the fuck